In this video, I am going to derive the product rule. So the product rule is used to take derivatives of functions that look like this. F of x equals a of x times b of x. So the function is the product of two other functions. And we're going to assume we can take the derivatives of both the function a and the function b. So our four-step process, first step, find f of x plus h. So that's a of x plus h times b of x plus h. Second step, find f of x plus h minus f of x. So that's a of x plus h times b of x plus h minus a of x times b of x. Very good, x. Okay. Third step, find f of x plus h minus f of x, all divided by h. Again, so far nothing too exciting. A of x plus h times b of x plus h minus a of x times b of x, all divided by h. And now I'm going to do a little bit of work before I take that limit, because right now you can't see any derivatives showing up here. So let's rewrite this equals a of x plus h times b of x plus h. Now, if I wanted a derivative of a to appear, I would need a term that looks like this, a of x times b of x plus h, right? Because I could factor out the b of x plus h, and then I've got a of x plus h minus a of x, all divided by h. If I subtract off this term, I'd better add it back, a of x times b of x plus h minus a of x times b of x, and this whole quantity divided by h. And now, just to be very explicit, I'm going to factor out the b of x plus h, and I'm going to leave myself with a of x plus h minus a of x divided by h times b of x plus h. So that's factored out the b of x plus h from the first two terms, plus, now I'll factor out the a of x times b of x plus h minus b of x, all divided by h. Okay, so that's what step 3 gives me. And step 4, we're going to take the limit as h goes to 0 of our big mess, so this last line. And what do we get? Well, this limit is the derivative of a. This limit, the b of x plus h, as h goes to 0, just becomes b of x, plus the limit of a of x is just a of x. And as h goes to 0, the b of x plus h minus b of x over h turns into b prime of x. And so now we have shown our product rule.